Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to count steps on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Samsung Health app on your smartphone. Now if this app is not available on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just make sure to download this app on your smartphone. Now once the app is downloaded on your smartphone, just tap on open. From here, tap on start. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just select automatically sync data to Samsung account. From here, just tap on next. Now just tap on continue. From here, just tap on allow. Now just give this app this permission. Now from here, just select what you want to focus on. Now once you select your option, just tap on next. Now from here, just tap on start. From here, just tap on settings and enable this toggle. And once you do that, just go back, scroll down and tap on steps. Now from here, just tap on the three dots over here. Now if this middle option is on resume step counting, just tap on it. Now currently the step counter is turned on. Now to pause the step counter, just tap on pause step counter. Now as you can see, the step counter will no longer work. Now to enable it back on, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on resume step counter. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled step counter on our smartphone. Now you can even add the step counter widget to your home screen. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. From here, just tap on widgets. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on health. Now from here, just drag this widget to your home screen. Now you can resize the widget as you like, just like that. And this is how you can count steps on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.